better than this water. You think you're better than this soda. It's just heavenly bliss, this is heavenly bliss.
Kira and Daniel, can you believe it? After a lot of waiting and patience, getting ready, probably a few nervous moments, and here we at long last are with you today on one of the most important and sacred days of your life.
Kira is the type of person that thinks of everyone before herself. She is so loved by everyone in this room, our family in Ireland, and especially everyone watching tonight from up in heaven. She brings so much joy and laughter into our lives, and I am beyond lucky to have her as my sister.
Nice.
I could not imagine a better sister-in-law. Kira's anything but typical. She's unpredictable, and even at her worst, it ain't bad. Kira's as real can be. We are also lucky to have Kira in our lives, especially Daniel, because we all know he would be lost without her. You can always count on Daniel, to be honest with you, since he could care less whether or not you agree with him. If you can't tie by now, he's definitely a little more rough than smooth, and it's a wonder he found someone like Kira.
May your wedding day be the day of days for the ones you love and you. May joy caress you with its rays, the hours and moments through. May greetings from far and near, like sunshine, seek your door. May peace take shelter in your home and stay forevermore. May your life be long and happy too. May your home be filled with joy. And the first to fill your cradle be a curly-headed boy.
For the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Daniel Martinez.
All right, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to the roast of Daniel Martinez.
Dan, my brother-in-law, the firefighter, ladies and gentlemen, who on Wednesday left the oven on all day and said, and I quote, "Oh shit, I was wondering why it was warm." So anyone in Yonkers, stay safe out there.
When I first met Dan some 10 odd years ago, to be honest, I couldn't stand the guy. It was out of principle, nothing against him. But the longer that we had spent more time together, my hate for him just started to dwindle away. I think it's because eventually I started to recognize we had a lot of similarities, me and Dan. First and foremost, we both love to absolutely drive Kira crazy. We're also two good-looking, husky guys, you know, and we both refused to come to terms that we're both balding, so.
Daniel, happy wife, happy life. And Kira, if you want something, sometimes it's easier to ask for forgiveness than permission.
So everybody, please raise a glass. Cheers to the newlyweds. We love you guys so much.
I can't wait to see what the future holds for you guys, and cheers to the newlyweds.
than this. Oh, oh.